Just untwist it, take your alarm off. How many times have we been in this house at midnight?
Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, well, another night, long night. We're closing in on the last few days. There's what time it is. It's almost midnight. I'm installing all these smoke detectors. Yes, I'm tired. Smoke detectors. It comes with a 4-switch. We used 14-3. Comes with 4 wires, a red, a white, and a black, and a ground. You don't need the ground. And this is the switch piece that comes, or the power piece that comes for each smoke detector. Comes with a white, orange, and black. Just sew the blacks together, the whites together, and sew the orange with the red. Put in 2 screws. You can use these square boxes or the round fan boxes. Basically just screw it on, plug it in, put your smoke detector on it, turn it. I'll show you how to do it right now. All right, we got blacks to black. I got orange to red. And this is if you have some that are hardwired to one another. So we have 9 total smoke detectors in the house, and they're all wired together. In the living room, we have one that is a carbon monoxide detector, and that was urged to me to get by my electrician, Chris, who actually got, his family actually got CO2 poisoned in their house. They almost died. And God spoke to him and told him, get your family and get them out of the house, because they were feeling sick and they were passed out on the ground. He didn't know what it was, and they passed out, and they moved him outside, got his family outside. They called their grandma. She came, called the police. They didn't go back in the house, and the limit that they had was way over the acceptable limit of like CO2 in the house. Like they should have been dead. But God told him to leave, and he did. He got them out, and they survived. All right. Next part is just untwist it, take your alarm off. We're gonna use this piece right here. It's got a lot of different attachments where you can put the screws and stuff in. Put your wire through the hole, line it up where you want it. Looks good right there. Actually, let's go with that one. Okay, that's easier. Here we go. Then tighten your screws up. These have battery backups. Looks like this. All you gotta do is pull that out. Now your battery is now in there, working. You can't put this plug in wrong. There's like a little L and a little pin. And all we gotta do is line that up, and then a clip side, push it in, pops on, give it a half twist. Find where the groove is, it'll fall in, twist it, it's on. Very simple, guys. I got 2 more to do. And we prepped all these during the electrical portion. Like when we inserted the boxes and ran the wires, see all this stuff sewn together up here? Each wire that ran from one smoke alarm to the next ended up getting all split and sewn together with one tail wire coming out. And that's what these are, so that we only add one to the smoke detector. So that's what Miguel actually did that for me while I was running wire and stuff. He sewed all my switches together.
Our neighbor Miguel.
Yep, our neighbor. So he got me all squared away so that this part, we did all the hard work and labor with no AC at that time when we were wiring it. And that gave to a nice, easy, smooth job right now when we're putting this in close to midnight. It all worked out. So now I can throw all these together. I was just telling myself before we got on camera that all this hard work we did 8 months ago for it to just like fly together now. 7, 8 months. How long has it been?
Since January.
January. What are we in? The 7th?
This is
No,
September.
we didn't do this in January.
No, I'm saying we broke ground in January.
Yeah, but from when
I
I
don't
took
know.
over.
I don't remember when you did electricity.
I need the.
I know. I'll get it to you.
Okay.
Put that in.
Linda's gonna get me a plate, and then we'll be right back. All right, we got the plate. Ah, perfect. All right, through that. I can even mount it like that if I wanted to. There's just so many ways to mount it. You know what's good is that you can use almost any bracket that you get. There's a gap right there for some reason. I don't know why that gap is there. Huh. That could be a reason. Let me take it off of that one. I'm gonna put it on that one. That's what I've done on every one of them. They lined up good. There we go. No gap. All right. If you're working with something, make sure your battery's closed up. There we go. There it is. Last one. This is the single. Oh, and this one's even already stripped. Yes. Thank you, Miguel. Get the electric wire. There we go. Tell you, I bought these really handy wire things from Lowe's strippers. They have came in big handy. They have paid for themselves tenfold. How many times have we been in this house at midnight?
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch the button.
See, I must have accidentally pressed it.
Yeah.
Is it gonna go off again?
Maybe. I don't know. It scared me. I thought, did I do something wrong? I thought, I don't have the alarm on my hand.
That was loud.
Yeah, they're supposed to wake us up. I've seen those dogs that like wake people up in the middle of the night when there's a fire or something. I think Val would do that to us.
Oh yeah.
She gets in the bed when the alarm goes off in the other house.
No, she.
All right, you got screws for me?
Yes.
Do that. All right. In the trailer, she does.
Yeah, she just gets in that bed with us.
Yeah.
This sound scares her.
Mm-hmm. Bang and bang. All right, guys, and the final smoke alarm, which is the final piece of electric for the house. There it is. We don't have any more electrical stuff. We are ready for our electrical inspection now. Well, I have touched a lot of wires, except for when we finally get our chandelier. I gotta wire that up in the future. All right, guys, I'm going to bed. This is Donovan with Team Tate Outdoors. We've done a lot today. Multiple tasks, and we're getting one day closer. Hopefully we'll be bringing you guys some fun and exciting videos, and not just videos of us working. This is Donovan with Team Tate Outdoors. Go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, and as always, we'll see you on the next video.